Actually live now. Technical difficulties. I previewed it for some reason, and then I'm pretty sure we're actually live now. Alright, yeah. Actually live now. We're set up. This is set up. Okay. I will be right back. I just gotta prep some things and then we're gonna go. Alright, I am back now. Yeah, so let me just do some pre-analysis. If people are watching this on YouTube and don't actually join the live, that's okay. I understand, that's fine. So first of all, we were in this trade yesterday, okay? I knew something was about to pop off, so I dropped out this trade. I had analysis right here that showed that we were gonna have a massive uptrend. So yesterday, I was in this trade. I got an entry at around like right here, somewhere in here. And well, can I actually get like a tool? Dang, this ain't always... Whatever. Okay, so we got an entry at around right here. As you can see, we got an entry. It went up, and then we went down. From there, I saw that we were about to have a massive turnover, so I got out that trade. And this was actually the trade that we took. We got around like $5 or $6, $4 from this. I don't know. I dropped out. I only did a low lot size like this because I didn't think it was actually going to work. In the past, we had consolidation, and from there, I thought consolidation on a new market would be like sketchy and we would have a turnover, but no. Historical data is historical data, and literally it did exactly what it did. Went up, consolidation went down. Went up, went down. So That was a trade that we took yesterday, and this was a trade that we took this morning that I actually dropped out of because I felt that price was about to do a turnover. Overall, we dropped out around like right here. Forgot how much we got from this. I don't know. I knew this was gonna happen though. Just a price uptrend. Once it broke this. I don't know. I just joined. But yeah, but today is going to be more structured. Sundays are usually like, if you want to trade, you want to trade. If you don't, you're most likely going to lose money. So I didn't actually lose any money yesterday, but I really didn't gain anything either. I wasn't really going for like 2% trades, 2% risk to where I would get like $50. So that is something that I just want you guys to understand. But I probably could have joined this trade too, and it would have been successful, but we ended up not doing that, so it's whatever. From here, I think we're going to drop these two markets. I don't want to trade these markets anymore. This broke everything that we had set in stone for it. Once it broke this, you wanted to sell. This was kind of useless. Oh yeah, from here you wanted to sell. From here you wanted to sell. Okay. Yeah, so we're going to forget about Euro USD, and we're going to have 4 markets up today, and we're going to set these up live as well, and I'll just do it as fast as I can. But before we do that, I'm going to get some water because I literally woke up at like 6 and only prepared the stream, so I will be right back for 1 second. The sun is just about coming up. So now I'm back. Okay. So as I said yesterday, we dropped out this trade today. Dropped out this trade this morning at around right here. I don't see price coming back. I mean, it is hitting a support right here, so it could bounce up and hit my target goal, but I don't know. Anyways, this target goal wasn't really anything major. I wanted to take it to trend line originally back here, but that had failed, and we saw massive rejection on both ends. We had massive rejection right here, massive rejection right here, and right here. So I just kind of gave up on that and said, okay, let me hit a low, which was around right here. And before all this happened, before all this consolidation to a massive uptrend, I had gone back here and I realized price stopped, went up, went down, breached, went up, went down. Price had, right here was really a major setting zone for me, especially on the 30-minute. I saw that this was coming up on the 30-minute and then went down. We broke through, went down. Price was just respecting this line overall, and it consolidated around this line as well. So now here in the future, we saw this as well. We saw a massive downtrend. And as of right here, what happened? We went down. We saw a massive uptrend. So I used it to my advantage, really. And we got in this trade around right here. Watched it. I set this up at like 12 last night. I was up till like 12 or 12:30 last night. And we set this trade up. And from there, I let it ride through the night. I was like, okay, if I lose this, I'm gonna lose $5. If I win this, I'm gonna get like 30 bucks. So we just dropped it this morning off stream. I forgot to start streaming before I dropped it. I should have, but I didn't want to wait because overall it's gone down since then. So we might see a downtrend on this. We don't know, but we're gonna prep some new markets and we're gonna set everything up as well. CAD Chief was something that I really wanted to pop off. We honestly wanted to wait for this to hit our support line. Then we could go for a buy trade. Overall, once it hit the support, it shot back up, and that's exactly what I wanted it to do. But price isn't gonna do exactly what you want it to do sometimes. So yesterday we had an open, and that's what this was. I think this was news, something with Swiss and the Canadian dollar. I don't know. This was news though. It spiked up very high, hit this, and then went down. From there, went down. Now we're seeing consolidation at around this level. And we're hitting, no, not a major. Right here it hit. The 69300, as you can see on the right side of my screen, right around here. Hit right there. So, this is still a market I want to look at, but overall, I'm not excited about it anymore. I really thought we were going to see something pop off at around right here, and this would have been great. Like, even on the 15, even on the hour, that looks great. We could still possibly see something happen, but overall, I doubt this is going to happen anymore. Whenever we see consolidation in this market, it's usually on a downtrend, not on an uptrend. So, this is going to be in the background for sure, but this is one of the last trades I would take for today. This may happen, this may drop today. We don't know. We're just going to have to wait and see. And we're going to move on from NZD CAD. This will also be our last trade as well. And we'll have 2 new trades that I'm going to set up. But we got to look for them. And if we don't find them, then we can't trade today. Yeah, I have some markets written down. Euro USD, GU. And that's really it. Over the weekend, I prepared some trades, but none of them were looking good, as I took the ones that looked good, which was NZD CAD and CAD, what else was that other one? I don't even know. I exited out of it. So, CAD JPY, on a steady uptrend. What market should we go for? I don't even know. Does anyone have any ideas? Oh, we can see a downtrend from here. Yeah, it got rejected at a major level. Around 100. Got rejected. It said boom. Now we can see boom. Oh wait, we can actually watch this market. Huh. This could be a trade that we could take. How does this look on the monthly? Boom. Boom, boom. Yo, we really gonna have to skip this commercial? Shut up, boy. Alright, bet. Yeah, we could take this trade, honestly. That we could take it down to around right here. Where's our major? 500? 500 looks like it would drop. It looks like it would drop to 500 if it were to drop. Ooh, or 190. Ooh, or 200. Honestly, not too far off. Yeah, let's set this pair up. We've been on a downtrend. We haven't gone really on an uptrend. Huh. How does this look? Price used this, bounced, broke through, hit, hitting, peekabooed, bam. Hit right there, not even gonna breach it. Price already breached it. Fake out. Yeah, I don't know if I should have it like this, because this looks horrible, but it actually hits whenever it's on this wick. Boom. hits this wick, breaks through, uses it as support, broke through. Okay, yeah, that works. I would rather have it like that than that. So we have this set in stone. We'll set this to yellow. Okay, we'll make this thick too because it's not even important right now. Oh, we're not gonna make it dashed. Yeah, we'll make that thick. Okay, so we're setting up a pair right now. GJ. We could see massive price rejection, or we could see a bullish trend going on to the upside. So we're just gonna see what else we can do. Any other support and resistance we need to mark. This got rejected, used it as support, got rejected, used it, and now we're seeing it in play right now. Okay, yeah, monthly is done. Weekly, let's just see everything matches up. Make sure the wicks are being touched. Boom, there it goes. Touched. Broke through, used it. Boom, boom, used it. Okay, we're good on the weekly. On the daily, we want to see it also touch, and we might be able to set up a Fibonacci retracement on the daily and see what happens there. See if price is getting even more rejected with our edge. Nah, Fib isn't going to be useful unless we use it at wick. No. Nope. Maybe on the 15 or the 30 minute or the 1 hour. Maybe the 1 hour would be good. I never trade GJ, to be honest with you guys. I never trade GJ. So this is honestly a first. I'd rather trade AG or something like that. So we're seeing a downtrend. 100. Any major support? Okay, major levels right there. And it had a turnover at around right there. As well as right here, it had a turnover. Boom. Okay, yeah, so we should be able to take it to our 200 line or a 0-0 maybe. Consolidated at 0-0 all through right here. As you can see right here, I'm seeing major levels in the market, and I'm using those as my edge. So moving on from the daily, there's nothing really to mark up. We kind of marked up all the major areas. We're seeing price breach, and price has breached in the past. Price has easily broken through this. So we could see this hit our trail line again. If it breaks this, then we should probably go for a buy trade. If price breaks this, goes right here, boom, retest this. We could go for a buy trade up to the trend line and then take it down to our 200 as right here. This is our 200. I'll even mark it as text. Major 200. Jeez, major 200. Okay, this is our major 200. And what is this, our major 100? Okay, major 200 and major 100. We could use these as our levels. On the daily, overall, we have gotten rejected. So we cannot just immediately get in this market if it gets rejected. I say we wait until it gets at around right here because I don't want to get into this trade and then see it come all the way back up into, and then I go into another drawdown. I say we wait until it breaches a zone, which would be around right here. If it can breach this no action zone, I would call this a no fighting zone, then maybe we can get into this trade. This would be green for money. What color should I make this? I don't even know. Okay, this is the no trading zone. Let's just make this black, no trading zone. Boom, no trading zone. So this is gonna be darker and transparency. Yeah, this is the no trading zone. If price does not breach this, then we cannot trade this. If price does like this, we should see. Ah man, then we can't trade right here. Okay, so we got two set in stone rules right now. If the price is in this canal right now and it's confused on what it wants to do, whether it wants to go up. So let's play this out as like a little role play right here. Okay, if price comes up, comes down, touches this, tries to retest the support, will resistance turn into support, breaches this, comes back down, we can't go for this trade. Okay guys, if price does like this, test this, and then boom, we can go for it. We can get an entry right around right here. Not exactly right here, of course, because price is going to do what it wants, but we could look for this as a potential trade. This is what you guys have to think of whenever you're trading. You have to think of what happens if this happens, okay? See, looking at this trade right off, you could say, like, even I was like, okay, price breaks this, then we'll buy. If price doesn't break this, then we're going to sell. But there's nuance to that. So now that we see this, we have our no trading zone set up, which would be this. You see, if you didn't look right here on the 4 hour, that price got rejected at around right here, you wouldn't know that price is possibly going to get rejected, okay? And on the 4 hour as well, you see that price constantly went down and went all the way back up into your actual resistance line. And now you have more of a reason not to trade. And that's what you honestly want to look for. You want to look for reasons not to trade, not reasons why you should trade. More often than not, there's reasons why you shouldn't. And that should overweigh the goodness in a way. Yeah. On top of that, price may do like this, retest this box, consolidate, come up. It consolidated a lot right here, so you never know what's going to happen. Price could do like this. Then we go for a buy trade. I don't know, but as of right now, this is just a looker for me. All eye candy. We're just going to have to chill on this. Let's continue on, though. There's nothing really much to... do we have a major zone right here? Hey, we have a level right here. Yeah, let's just mark this up. Coordinates 0, 0. Boom. Price got rejected around right there. Not even at the 500. 200? Nope. 100? Oh yeah, I would say the 100, man. Forget the 0, 0. Another major 100. Yeah, we're just setting these up, guys. Dang, I moved it. 0, 0. Okay. Another major 100, guys. Price got rejected at around right here, and price could get rejected right here. So we'll take this up to the box as well. Okay. So this is now GJ. We're just gonna take a look at this, and this will be our. So the trades go from GJ, CC, and then of course NC. Are we doing something special? Nope. Again, our plan is take it to our support line. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Okay, so now let's look at this on the 1 hour, see what's going down. Honestly, we could trade in these zones and take it to where we need to, but that's no. I'm saying stupid stuff, guys. I'm saying stupid stuff. We're not gonna do that. That would be money in the air. Price rejection, boom. What are we seeing right now? Nine minutes on this candle. Okay. Large wicks, then downtrend. Honestly, we could go for a sell trade on this. This would look really nice. Down to our no trading zone. Up to our... Yeah, boom. Probably bridge this a little bit. Boom. That looks beautiful. 15-minute trades. What could we get on this, guys? What could we get on this? $716 is our margin that is available to us. If we were to do 1%, we get 36, 1.5. I've been wanting to trade 2%, honestly, guys. I've been wanting to trade 2% for a minute now. $14 on risk. That means if it goes up here, we could see a drawdown of like $5 at around right here. So even if price came up this much, we'd see a drawdown of 5. Price broke, we would see $73. You can get $100 today, easy. Oh yeah, it's a new day. I gotta set a new one. We can go for this trade, honestly. I'm with it. I'm with it. I'm with it. I'm with it. Gotta turn up in these markets. Keep your hopes up. Not even hopes. Forget hopes, man. I'm not hoping nothing. GJ. I usually write down all of the trades I take, and if I fail them, I write an X through it. And red, if I win them, then it's an X through it with green. Moving on. I'm not interested in this market anymore. We'll keep an eye. Ooh, what are we seeing? Rejection, rejection, rejection. I want to see that rejection, guys. I want to see that rejection. We could possibly get an entry on this. What should we do, guys? I would only want to risk 1.5, honestly. Should we get it, guys? Should we eat this bullet? Price had more of a turnover than it did, right? I mean, yeah. Should we do it, guys? I'm not sure, guys. I really think it could still turn over, but... Alright, $1.40 on a drawdown. We are in this trade now for a sell. We'll just see how this goes. It could easily come back up, but we're just going to see. $10 is $10 off of my... I've already calculated this as of risk. I wrote it all down, so I'm willing to risk $10 now. I have $710 in my account. We're using $300 as my margin, and we'll move on from this. If this ends up going up, then it's whatever for the day. Mark it as red. Move on. I do not want to risk 1.5 again today, though, unless we really see something valuable. But my emotions are not going to get played with today. GC. Oh, what about USD? USD. Wait, no. USD knock. That's a good one. I love USD knock. Jesus, what did I have going on here? God. That's horrible. Sorry, guys. It's early, man. I'm too tired to give some commentary. I'm just trading. Honestly, you just gonna have to sit back and watch this one. I'm tired. Yeah, so overall, I set these up like, I don't even know how long ago, a month. It's just been going on. Hit right here. Massive rejection. I don't know why, but I set things up and then don't go for them. Like, I always set things up and never go for them. So this was around... Yeah, this was in April, man. Dang. Price went down. Major level. Nope. Yeah, almost. Dang, look at how much price broke through that trend line. What happened here? We can go for a buy trade. Eventually. Yeah, we'll just set this up later. Buy trade for later. In the palm of my hand. Chillin'. USD try. see. Okay. I don't really want to take any trades from her. How's our trade doing? Alright, cool. Are we seeing massive rejection, guys? What would you call that? So I'll come back around right here. When in doubt, leave the trend alone. I still expect price to come back up eventually, but you just gotta learn to hold. When in doubt, hold your trade. Do not drop out the trade. NC isn't really looking too good to me. There's nothing really spice that goes on. 222. Yeah, you don't see any really major levels right now. Maybe at the 5. What is this? Is that the 500? 500 and 0? What if we change these to zeros? Boom. Yep. Look at that, guys. Major level. Banks love these levels, man. They always switching it. Probably said use that in the. Probably said use this in 2013. Nah, 2012. Price used this. Boom. Boom. Price even used this in 2009. Oh, you want me to skip an ad now? I'm willing to, man. I don't care. Okay, we're moving on from these. We got something going on right here. What do we got going on? Okay, this is great. Alright guys, we might have found our second market to get into. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Boom. Price could come up. Boom, go for a sell trade. And it's already everything set. Wait. Want price to hit support and bounce up to purple line. Brody, that's not specific at all. I always write these stupid notes for myself that make no sense. There's like 4 purple lines. Well, there's only 2. I exaggerate. Okay, so what do I want price to do? These don't even look relevant. Did I go for a buy trade right there? I love looking at my past, like, little, like... I love looking at my past, on my past trades. They're just always set up somewhere in these. So what did I hit right here? Dang, so we had hit that up. Oh, yeah, that's great. That hit target, too. Boom, hit that. Anyways. Price consolidates at around this level. What is this? This doesn't look that great of a market. What's our trend line? Oh, so we broke this and then went for a sell trade. That was stupid. We could have gone for a sell trade all the way over here if we would have set this new one up. Look at this. Boom, go for a sell trade. Major pips. This is on the daily, guys. So we should see price rejection around right here. Boom, go down. Yep, price did a turnover. We could get another entry. Nah, I don't know if price is gonna get rejected. If it breaches right here, like with a solid breach, because this is a major level right here, because we are seeing 0 zeros right here. This is a huge level for this market. It's hard to breach it. So if we just breach this, we're clear for like 100. We're clear for our money on this. Yeah, we just gotta wait. Dang, I don't want to hold this. I'm gonna get a drawdown of like $6 if it breaches up here. Like we're already getting $1. I don't know, man. We just gotta say whatever. So honestly, we could go for a sell trade on this. Get rid of everything in the past, dude. This is annoying me. Hit this. Go for a sell trade. 1 hour. I'm thinking. We're not even seeing major levels. 200. Yeah, levels at the 200 get rejected. Okay, levels at the 200 get rejected. We can see it. This price also get rejected. If it breaks through this 200, hits our trend line, boom, could go down, and we could go for a sell trade. This line isn't as important as the trend line. I mean, no, this line is more important than the trend line, I would say. This trend line hasn't really been respected, and it's not very important. I only got respected around right here, and this is on the 1 hour. Dang, each one of these candles are 1 hour, jeez. Sometimes I forget, like, early in the morning, I'm like, I don't even know what to do. 30 minute, it's getting rejected. Could go for a sell trade. Any major levels right here? 400. Looks like it respects 400. 0. Major levels, guys, major levels. Very important. Yep. Price gonna break. We got a bad entry on this market. Ugh. I hate bad entries. We got a horrible entry on this market. Dang, price could literally come up to here. And it has in the past too. What are we doing? Because price isn't doing what we want it to do anymore. Alright, so we're just watching this. It is not doing what I really wanted to. It could use this for support and then go to the upside, which was a possibility because in the past it had done that. It did it right here, used it as support, and then boom, went to the upside. But overall, this was the 15th. Spiked down, used it, spiked down, using it. Probably gonna spike down or probably gonna go up. Honestly, this is an in the air trade. I'm expecting it to hit this zone if it does go up and use this as support, and I'm expecting it to go down and go to this zone if it hits this. So honestly, this is just an air trade. Easy $10 gone if we lose this. And I'm gonna have to sit here and watch it because if it gets rejected around right here, it could go to the downside. It's hit that and then it got rejected. So. And this isn't even a major level. This is just, I don't know, man. I'm getting a little nervous, getting a little weird about this because it had large price action going up to the upside. So, yeah, moving on. This is another trade that we could take though, right here. This looks good. We could go for this trade right now, actually. Put a $2 risk on this. Price just keeps doing the turnover. What do we want to do on this? Yeah, this morning was pretty good for this. Still in no trade zone if you're in this. If you're in this trade right now, which you're probably not, but if you didn't get an entry yesterday on this, then there's no point in trading this. Yeah, we're gonna have to wait for this to hit and then boom. Skedaddle out that. Oh, I hate this trade already. Sometimes you just grow to hate trades because they're just like, they're ugly, man. They're ugly. They're ugly. I'm thinking about getting, I keep coming back to this trade. I'm thinking about getting into this. Kind of want to get into this trade. This looks good to me. But price has gotten rejected. Support, rejected, went down, boom. Just levels all through here. 90, 90, 800, ooh, 800. What's that, 800? Boom, right there. Look at that, right there. 800 level. Upside. Man, I've never been too tired to give commentary. Boom. Honestly, this stream is way too chill. Yeah, we're just watching this to see what happens. I really want to be attentive to this trade because I think it's gonna, if it goes up to around right here, like if it goes up to around right here, I feel like my stop loss is gonna get hit. Regardless of if it, I mean, stop losses get hit, or like stop losses get hit super easy. Like you can come up to here and then boom, you're out the trade. So that's just out money. And then next thing you know, price goes down, and then you could have lost like $1 when you just lost $6 and. Just stupid, man. Honestly, this thing is kind of stupid whenever it comes to the stop loss because I've had times where price goes down. I've had so many times where price literally does like this. Where price does like this. It gets this close and it doesn't get hit. It doesn't hit my target and then it goes all the way back up. But next thing you know, you hit your stop loss at around right here and then boom, you're out the trade. Like you're right here on the trade. You're right here and then boom. You get the stop loss at around like right here, even though it doesn't even come close to your stop loss, and you get cut out the trade. Like, oh my gosh, it's just annoying, man. It's inaccurate. I mean, yeah, it works. Like, it definitely works. It definitely cuts off the trade if you're losing it. It definitely cuts off the trade if you're losing it. I can happily say that, confidently say that, but. Man, how it does not work sometimes. I'm gonna get into another trade. What is all this noise that's on the homepage? Like what is this? Who is trading this? Trading View? What are you saying, man? What is this? I don't even know what to say to this. Like, is this Tesla? Tesla Inc. Oops. Man, this is all noise. I don't even know what to say to all this. Bitcoin? Like y'all think Forex is complicating. This is crypto, man. Range bound with potential upward fake out. Boom boom. Man, this guy's a genius, whoever set all of this up. This is all just indicators, to be honest. Indicator, 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 indicator. Regular channel. Using channel as resistance, boom. Down to the upside, boom. Okay, makes sense. Makes sense, man. Who is this? Yo, what if I could get a poppin' account on here, man? Yo, I didn't even think about that. That would be sick. I'd have my own like popular trading view account. Hey, that's fine. She says gonna go for a short. Okay. When was this posted? 8 hours ago. Okay, she on her grind? She is on her night shift. This woman is helping the community. She on the 1 hour too. She a boss, man. She is a boss. Oh, we can get an entry right now. Entry for a short trade? I don't know, man. Prices constantly come back up. These candlesticks are huge. Huge like news. Man, today is gonna be exciting, guys. I am so happy, man. I have so much dopamine in my head. I'm so happy. Dude, man. I don't even know what to say. I'm just so happy, man. What does 1% look like? 44 bucks? Hey! Okay, that's barely anything. Man, I'll set this right now. We do gotta set this up the trend line though. If it reaches, it could hit trend line. We should have more confluence though. It should break this, and then we go for a buy. And that's how we would look. Yep. Skip boom. Okay, guys, this is the new trade. I was gonna take this honestly, but I need more confluence, and my confluence will just be this crappy trend line that hits all the wicks. If it breaks this trend line, we'll go for a buy trade. If it breaks this trend line, then we'll go for a sell trade. She's fine. We could look this up. We could look this up right now. She said go short GBP GU 8 hours ago. Let's see what she had. 1 hour. It was at around the 5,000 level. Let's see if she was right. Let's see if she's on her grind. GBP USD. Let's see if she was on her grind. 5,000. Ooh, she was dead wrong, guys. Wow. She said go for short. She zoomed out a lot too. She said go short. At around right here, she said go short. At the 5,000, 5,000, yeah. 5,000, she said it'll hit trend line up to 5. She said it'll hit trend line up to around 6,000. She said go short onto 4,000. Breach 6,000, man. Oh, we coming up. Hey, we coming up. We can go for short on this. Look at this. Boom. That actually looks really good. We might actually go short. She said at around 5.9 at around 5.7, okay, 5.7. If you don't know, I'm looking at like the side right here and 5.7. Oh damn, we're already at 6,000, man. Man, we breached 5.7, lady. Yeah, we can breach 5.7. Now let's get rid of this fib. It's useless. Me and her need to collab. We could create some signals together. Oh, okay. Price is not doing what we wanted it to. Yeah, I say we get out this trade. Yeah, we gotta cut that loser off. Yeah, that did not do what we wanted it to. Cut your losers off while you can, guys. Okay, so back at 710. Alright, what do we want to do? Honestly, honestly, yeah, we're looking at this pair now. See what it does. We could go short. That's only 1 hour, man. We could go short on this all day. And if it hits the zone, okay. Okay. I'm excited now. We can get into this trade, and this could be a keeper for hours. Okay, so GU is our new trade. If you guys want to trade, I would say get on GU and go for a sell trade. Thanks to this lady for giving us a signal that actually makes sense. I don't see why she put this trend line right here, but this, I see this making sense because we already have a zone set. We already saw that price gets rejected around right here, and we have trend line, zone, and already is. Okay, we're just gonna get an entry. Yeah, I would get an entry at around right here. Keep it at trend line. So this is what we're looking like, a 1%. 1% would get us 44, 1.5 would get us 66 on the 1 hour. What does this look like on the 15? Dang, that is huge. We don't even need all that. If it breaches trend, then I don't want it. Yeah, it hasn't really breached trend, so we're keeping it on gas. In the past, it broke zone because it found trend line. Now that zone is on trend line, we have more of a reason to actually keep it. Oh, dang. Okay. Should we go for a buy trade right now? Is this a bad entry? Oh, yeah. This was our trade before. We dropped out of this at around $6, so. I don't know, man. We could... If price does turn around right now, which it could, we would get a 1.5 $60 gain. But on top of that, it could still breach zone because right here it breached zone, and right here it hasn't. This could still be on a high. I don't believe this is doing a turnover right now. I don't know why. I'm not convinced that this is doing a turnover. I think it could still use zone a little bit more. I think it could still go up, even though we're seeing rejection. It's wiki. Shut up, man. An ad that I can't skip, I'm asleep. I just want to see price get rejected, man. Don't give in to FOMO. Do not give in to FOMO. Fear of missing out is a real thing. Yeah. Hey man, we can still get an entry. If it breaks this, man, I'll get into this trade, okay? It's gonna be our new setup. What can I say? This market still has potential to go down. You never know. At around right here, it started consolidating, so maybe not. That doesn't look too keen. Okay, yeah, whatever. What did I say, guys? What did I say? Price could still go up. What did I say? My words are my words. Use this zone, get rejected. We're just watching, guys. I told you, price could get rejected. Price said, went down. Now I want to see this zone get used. I'm not sure if this support line is very useful. It is a major one, but over, ooh, okay, we should get an entry. Got rejected right here, got rejected right here. Man, I don't know, because if we get a good entry at around like right here, that would be so safe. I would feel so safe in this trade. If we got an entry all the way up here, man, I would keep this. Ah, that would be a beautiful trade. I would go 3% on that trade. If price were to do like this, I would go heavy. I don't know. I'm seeing more of a reason to get into this trade now. Even on the 5-minute, it's getting rejected with wicks. So we may get into this trade right now. Let's see what's popping. 1% or 1.5? 1.5 gives us $20 more, but it also gives us $5 more of risk. Or $3 more. Man, I'm gonna have to say 1.5 for the one time. Price is still getting rejected right here. Boom. Yeah, you see, if we were to go for this trade, we would have lost a good $7. Good thing we waited and put this trend line right here because this gave us more confidence to wait. As of right here, we're still waiting on this to happen. We lost $6 already from this, so we're just waiting on this trade. As of right now, we are seeing rejection. Man, that does not look too like convincing. I don't know. We're gonna go for it on 1%. See if we get an entry. It's slippage. Can we get an entry? It's right on our entry line, man. Nope, slippage. Oh, what you gonna do? All right, we got an entry, 57 cents. This is what it looks like. 40 bucks on this trade. Something light. Something light. So it looks like on the 1 hour. We'll probably break it at around like right here. And we can get a compound trade on this too. We are fighting trend, okay guys? This is something that you guys need to understand. Like, do not try to fight trend, but whenever it comes down to it, things are set in stone to where you are allowed to actually like sell trades when it's on an uptrend, okay? When things are on an uptrend, I say don't try to fight it, but as of right now, there's a lot of things. We have this major support, we have this major resistance line, we have this zone, we have this trend line. Everything is in our favor right now. This is my edge. We're just using my edge as a means to get an entry on this market, so we're just waiting. Good thing we dropped out this trade, man. We would have lost like buku money. It broke through this. Oh, it's getting rejected here. Man, if we were to get an entry right now, that would be great. That would be a lot of money on the table. But it did break this with no problem. Yeah, so if you guys were to rewind this, we had a position on this that we dropped out of at around, I think I lost $6 on this, and for good reason. We got a bad entry. If we see price get rejected, oh, no, okay, prices, whatever, man, I'm done with that. We do have an entry on this for $7. We'll see price get rejected. 34 minutes on this candle. Man, I'm hungry. All my other stuff was kind of, yeah, good thing we dropped out this morning. Man, this is gonna be so, I need to just relax. It's been about an hour and a half. We started at like 6:30. Good Monday, man. I'm just chilling. Appreciate you guys watching. Leave a like, leave a sub, all that. Man, it is a good day. If you guys have any questions, leave it in the comments. If not, that's cool. I respect you guys for just chilling and watching, trying to learn a little bit of something here and there. Oh God, let's see what happened. All right, what did I say? Price is still using the zone. Now, if this gets hit, it's all right. We just got to see what happens. We got a bad entry on this. I'm gonna be honest. Now we're just waiting to see what happens. Price gonna get rejected, then come back down. This is honestly just a drawdown for me. Price is using this zone as a means of communication. Now we could see price come up to this trend line, which it probably will. If it comes up to this trend line right now, it'll probably hit our stop loss and we'll lose 7. If that happens, oh man, I forgot to write this down. That's a check. So we can only take 2 more trades today. So this is a trade that we are gonna take. What is this? GU. So we only have 1 more trade left after this one. If we lose this one, then we gotta move on. And we'll have 1 more trade after this. And then I'm gonna have to get off the live. Okay, yeah, we're just watching this. Price has breached zone at around like right there, so I'm assuming it's gonna use trend line. We still have 1 minute on this candle, so it could just flare up. If it flares up too fast, it will hit our stop loss. If it goes up slowly, it's not. But honestly, the way it just moved right there kind of scared me. It's most likely gonna hit our stop loss. Yeah, so we broke zone. Let's hit trend. Hopefully it does not break trend. We are at $5. We have $7 set. If it breaks through the trend line, then yeah, that's automatic. I don't even want to be in this trade anymore. Yeah, we're just waiting to see what happens, man. I want to watch it. Yeah, that wickiness that it just did, that scared me. What are we gonna do, Price? Don't let today be an L. Hopefully it does go up and then hits trend line, because if it does that in the last 9 seconds, we could get a reversal off the trend line. But as of right now, we're in the air, and now we're gonna see a new candle go up and then most likely not come down. Like, everything could go bad. All right, new candle, guys. New candle. Yep. What did I say? Price is gonna do some stupid stuff. Yeah, we're just waiting to see what this candle does. I want to see price hit the trend line. Nah, if we get a rejection right now, that's so fake. If we get a rejection right now in the zone, that's stupid. I know it's still going to go up. That's just false hope. What I said, false hope, man. It's not going to go down from right here. It has to hit trend line. It already broke zone. Just hit trend line already and go down. You breach trend line, just make it quick. Make my death swift. Did break trend line right here. Dang, that's too close, man. I cut that too close. What was I thinking? I knew it was possible it could go back up the trend. I'm just being stupid. Boom, 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 boom. I need to see it. I just hope I don't get stopped, man. If it hits trend line, I just hope I don't get stopped. If I get stopped at trend, I don't know what to say. Yeah, we're just waiting. All right. We have touch trend line. Oh, God, dude. This is horrible, man. Nah, that's stop loss. Yeah, that's stop loss. Just go back up. We all know it's gonna go back up. You just take my money, man. Take my money. Here it is. I got it in a pile. I got it in handfuls. Take my money. Man, you got 11 minutes on this candle. I know you're not just touching trend line right now. 11 minutes right here if you don't know. 11 minutes on this trend. 11 minutes on this candle and it's already broke trend. Just go ahead and break it, bro. You know you're going to break. Just break it. Go. Rage mode. We'll get another entry on this market if I have to with a less... yeah, I don't know where to take it because it's already broken trend line. It broke trend line. It's not respecting, so we'll have to do another position once this one fails. If when this one fails, because it's most likely gonna go back up and breach. If this one fails, then we will get another entry on this at around, man, I don't even know where to take it though. Like I don't know where another entry is. I got a bad entry on this already, so I don't know where to take trend. Like once it breaks this, it hits our stop loss. Where are we gonna take this? Where's our next entry? Not at the trend. It's already breaking it. I can't get an entry at the trend line. Man, I don't know. Check out 6. This girl was a liar, man. Just kidding. She did not really plan for this to happen, though. Yeah, dude. This was the trade we were in earlier. And we dropped out at $6 when we had $10 set. This would have broke. What happened? Yeah, we're probably gonna see it go all the way up there. We didn't get this one either. Let's see. Pop. I'm ready to see that. I'm ready to see this. Pop. I'm ready to see boom, and then it goes straight down. Yo, that would be so crazy. I would just witness that. Because that's most likely what's going to happen. It's boom, and then swerve all the way down there. If that happens, I swear. It's sad, bro, because I know it'll happen. It's so sad. It's so sad. I don't know. It looks like price is actually getting rejected. But man, that is a tight stop loss for me to be at right now. I wish I would have got a better entry like right here. Ah, that would have been perfect. But I give in to FOMO here and there. Not gonna lie to you guys, I'm imperfect. Oh, and we hit stop. Yeah, that's stop loss, man. Dude, you're at $6. You were just at $6.64. Just take another dollar from me. Do it. 704 bucks. Brody, I'm gonna probably get into another trade later and then just go to sleep. I'm tired. Yep. Stop loss gets hit. Right here. Let's go. Stop loss, where you at? $20 on this candle. Come on, bro. Stop loss is just getting teased right now. Yeah. Man, we're just waiting for this to hit. See a different entry on this market. Come on, man. Like, you've already came so close to stop loss. You're going to hit it. I'm done. What's happening on the 5-minute? New highs on the 5-minute. Turn over. Oh, there it goes. All right. $7 out on this. We got to find a new entry because it's, man, it's still possible. The grind is still real. But we are $7 down on this trade. I got to mark that as a loss. And we'll look for another trade in the meantime. We already dropped out this trade. And this one as well. Good thing we did not go for this one. If we would have went for this one, that would have been upsetting. But I really wanted to see if it was going to break trend. And it did not. As well. Okay. What are we waiting for? Price broke trend. Let's go on the 4-hour. See what's happening. Yeah, man, I'm really seeing something happen. Like, I still want something to shake. I do still want something to shake. Which it's definitely possible. Like, look at that, man. Ugh, that's just upsetting, man. But we gotta move on. We gotta truck on. Maybe, since it broke trend line, and like it's still breaching, I don't know if it's too wise to get back into this market like this. Look at that candle though, Jesus. Man, I don't know if we're going to get another entry on this, to be honest. I may just leave this trade alone. But I know I know something's coming up. Like, I just have that gut feeling that I'm missing out on something. Something's about to go down. Broke zone, broke the 200. Broke trend line. Or it could just be peekabooing over the trend line. Man, we just gotta wait and see what happens. That's all this is. But this is my last trade for the day. We've seen price rejection now. Man, this is what this trade will look like now. One to 9. Price got rejected at the trend line. I I mean, it's still obeying trend line, but it's not. Man. Yeah, I can say without a doubt, today was pretty much a L. Everything went out the window. Like, nothing's really respected anything. Which is fine, I mean, man, I'm just tired. I just want to go to sleep. Yeah, this is way too calming. Price can use this as support, bounce up to the upside. Like, even at the end of the day, like, I know price has came up here and used this zone, but it's because there was a zone right here and trend line was stopping it from going up. So the fact that it broke this zone, it broke this trend line, it'll break this, and then it'll come up to here. Like, what's saying it's gonna stop? What's saying this little zone right here is gonna stop it? You know what I mean? This little turnover right now, like, come on, man. Who believes that? This was a nice uptrend, though. We're just waiting to see what happens. Yeah, what if we put everything on this? Oof. $12 on the turnover. Is it gonna use trend line and then go back up? No, it has 12 minutes on the candle. Boom. Railroad. Looks like it got rejected on the 1 hour. Boom. Jeez, look at that wick. Selling pressure is real. Yeah. We're just sitting back, man. We're just see how this plays out. Man, price is stubborn today. Like, look at this thing. It's just going right back up. We just gotta wait, man. This is annoying. And price completely failed on this. Like, good thing I dropped out of this a while ago. On top of that, price dropped this. Price isn't respecting the support line. Price is doing whatever it wants on this. I don't even know what's going on over here anymore. This fib is... Nah, this fib is still useful. Definitely uses it. Yeah, man. This is just a tough day. $703 as our margin. Man, we're just waiting. If you're just now joining, I appreciate you guys joining, but it's super chill today. Not really anything too crazy. Yo, Karens are crazy, man. Spitting on people, like, you're a savage for that. Oh. All right, price got rejected. May place the trade. May place the trade right here, guys. 1% risk, or 1.5% risk, and then we'll just leave it. Yeah, nothing major. Because this will just be the in the air trade. I don't know if it's actually gonna do what I want it to, but we may end the live stream off rip. I'm kind of done with the markets as of right now, and I took my 3 trades for today. Man, I don't know what to do about this trade. We're still seeing it go up, man. This will be stupid if I take this, to be honest. I'm not gonna take this. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna end the stream here. I'll play